Lettuce is a key player in my San Luis Obispo garden. Not only does every dinner center around a bowl of freshly picked greens, but our mild climate here means that lettuce grows really well 12 months out of the year. In this video, I'll be comparing 3 varieties of loose leaf lettuce: Buttercrunch, Marvel of 4 Seasons, and Red Oak Leaf. I want to see how they grow in this area and how they taste and perform. I'm focusing on loose leaf varieties because they allow me to pick the outer leaves of the plants without harming or disturbing the plant. I'll plant the seeds in these containers, then follow them through to harvest. By day 28, all the seeds have germinated. The red oak leaf seed germinated earliest, and those plants are growing very vigorously. After 8.5 weeks, all the seedlings are doing well and have been transplanted into raised beds. Okay, today I'm so excited I get to harvest and taste the varieties of lettuce that I planted. But first, let's take a look to see how each of them turned out. Marvel of 4 Seasons has large, spreading, deep red leaves. Buttercrunch is more upright and has large, light green leaves that are tinged with red. Both of these varieties will make an attractive basis of a salad. Red oak leaf has narrow, spikier leaves, and at this point I'm thinking they'll be best as accent greens. It looks like I'll get more lettuce per plant from Marvel of 4 Seasons and Buttercrunch. Interesting to note, the red oak leaf was the earliest to germinate and had the most vigorous growth early on. The others caught up and surpassed it over time. Also interesting to note is that the seed packet said these plants would mature between 50 and 65 days. My observation is that they took considerably longer, but I also planted them in December when they received the least sunlight. One final observation, plants from the same varieties vary widely in size, especially the ones in this particular barrel. I'm not sure what that's all about. Now, the fun part. Let's taste. This is a leaf of Buttercrunch. Very, very light and mild. Here's a leaf of the Marvel of 4 Seasons. A tiny bit stronger flavor, but still very, very mild. Lovely. And now here's one of the red oak leaves. Again, yummy. Very, very light. I will definitely continue planting each of these varieties. Perfect. I have to admit I enjoyed doing this experiment and comparing the 3 different varieties. Of course, my sample is really small, so your results may be different than mine. If they are, drop me a note in the comment section below. I've also included a link for how to grow lettuce and managing some of the pests. All that information is in the description box. Remember, if you've got a gardening question, ask us. Master gardeners are always available to help.